Sophia, can you tell us who we have next to rock the stage?
Sure. Up next, we have the winners of this year's Rowan's Battle of the Band, Matt Caringi and The Noise.
Hi, I'm Matt Caringi, and this is The Noise. Oh, like a fly on a log, you keep talking me, seeing through me with thousands of eyes. And now one of them is safe. So keep poking and prodding and slapping me with your pretentious ego and pride. I will spit on your face and step out of this place and divide. Let me go, 'cause I'm tired of here. Let me go. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up now. Wake up, wake up now. Wake up, wake up now. Wake up. Keep donating, people. Keep donating. The song's called Tell Me Your Good News. Well, I've spent most of my time sitting in this cluttered room, and thoughts that arise in my head is the end coming soon. But I don't look for answers, I don't look for signs. I'm only hearing the music in the back of my mind. Whoa, now I've got my reason, and I've got my rhyme. I know the future you love will meet its demise. Whoa. So darling, don't stay awake, 'cause I'll be a while. Said, darling, don't stay awake, 'cause I'll be a while. Well, I've spent most of my time wishing and dreaming of you. destination's coming in, guys. This song is called The Pacifist. Down and out of luck, I traded all my sanity to open up your book. Last I'm cold, but deep inside, I'm a freight train moving forward, freight train moving forward. So what, I'm a pacifist. So what, I don't give a shit. Down and out of touch, and I traded all my sanity for someone who gives a fuck. And when I'm cold deep inside, I'm a freight train moving forward. He's a freight train moving forward. So what, I'm a pacifist. So what, I don't give a shit. So what, he must be dead inside. So what, he'll never make it out alive. Down and out of love, I traded all my sanity for someone who gives a fuck. I'm cold, but deep inside, I'm a freight train moving forward, a freight train moving forward. So what, I'm a pacifist. So what, I don't give a shit. We got one more? We got one more. This song is called Crawl. You can get all these songs at our Bandcamp, Caringi and The Noise.bandcamp.com. I am lost in feeling like I'm 3 feet small. In spite of you, I continue to crawl. To me, I continue to grow. So speak in native tongue, so I can hear you, hear you, hear you. Tell me the ways I know. Crawl, 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 crawl away. Don't stay. Oh, I don't have to think. God won't make a sound. I will sit back and let you go away. Thank you.
Wow, you guys really rocked the telethon tonight, and I really felt the energy, like performing live. How long have you guys been together?
Almost 2 years.
Almost.
July
2
will be
years?
2
Wow.
years.
Oh, okay. I noticed a lot of you guys are in the band No Such Noise. How do you guys manage to keep two bands together? Like,
There's a lot of organization.
A lot of organization. A lot of
Now-
organization.
You guys have 9 people in this?
9 people on a good day, yeah.
How much fun are your rehearsals?
Sometimes they're a pain, but you know what? These are my best friends, and I couldn't imagine playing music with anybody else.
do you guys have any tours or shows coming up anytime soon?
We have Sunday at Red Door Studios in Sewell, and then we have April 26th at the M Room in Philadelphia, and then we have May 18th in where's that at? Wherever. May 18th we have a show.
Now, is there anything you guys want to say to our viewers? Maybe encourage them to donate?
Empathy goes a long way, and so does being gracious. Just please keep donating to the Ronald McDonald House of South Jersey.
Yes. Thank you guys. You guys rocked. Let's see what Amber and Tyler thought of your guys' performance.
Thanks.
Loved it. And you know how I know this band is going to be successful? Because every successful band always has at least one guy with their ears gauged. And that guy took the liberty,
Oh my.
took
Tyler
the
has been
band and
coming
put
up
him on
with
this.
some interesting stereotypes for musicians tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just an observation, but he took
I
the
know
band and
your
put him
head
on his
hurts
shoulders.
over there from headbanging so much to the music, right?
Oh, yeah.